Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am setting up my work planner for I think the first half of the year. Yeah, I don't want to set up the whole year, but I'm going to do at least up to June and get my work planner going for the next few months. I have a few things. This is what I'm currently using at work. I have a full-time job in an office, so this planner is super handy when it comes to keeping myself organized. I'm using a cover from Live Love Posh. Love these covers. Some discs, which I plan on switching out. The cover is staying the same. Discs, I want to put these metal discs from Happy Planner, so I'll put those on. And I've been using, let me see if I can show what I've been doing with this. I've been using the monthly layout. I guess you can kind of see. I'm trying to see if I have any important stuff on here. Okay, so this is basically how I use my planner at work. I love colors. I love using mild liners. I have lots of mild liners at work. And I like to organize myself this way, do a little list of things I need to do for the day. Whenever something comes up, I'll just jot it down. And then when I color code the days too, because again, I love color coding things. Once I check it off, because sometimes things don't get done the day that I write it. It might get done a couple days, depending on what things that I need to do in order to get this checked off. It might take a couple days. Sometimes they will get done right away. But I like to each day have its own color so I know when things have been done. And then that's basically how I use this planner. And this one is actually the monthly layout from the Happy Planner, which I love using the monthly. But I wanted to try something different this time around and use a new planner insert that I got from Live Love Posh. This is the weekly overview. I feel like this one's I think this one is gonna work well for what I'm using at work. And then I have these monthly dividers from Live Love Posh, because obviously there's no month dividers in here. So I need some little dividers just to separate the sections. But yeah, this is what I plan on using. And this section right here, I have two covers from a planner and I just put them together, and I don't want to open this because inside here I have like just a bunch of sticky notes. It's like my dashboard of important information. So the majority of this inside here are like passwords and usernames and things like that, because I have a lot of like different accounts I have to go into, and they all have different logins and different usernames and all that. So this is what I use that for. This one's super handy, and I like that it's the planner covers because I can find it super easy in my planner to get to. So yeah, this will be staying. This is what I was using currently today because I hadn't set up my planner yet, so I had to use this, but this is all gonna change. Actually, let me start pulling all this stuff out. I'm gonna save this because I do need this for work for tomorrow. Let's see. Then I'm gonna take, hold on, I have to do this off camera a little bit. Let's see. Oh yeah, this I wanted to keep too, so I'll keep that. Just a little info, and let me take out everything else. And then I just have like a little folder of stuff back here, which will stay as it is. Okay, so let me go ahead and start inserting some of these things. Okay, so I'm gonna do January 1st. Oh wait, no, sorry. I need to take the discs off because I'm changing my discs. So let me take this apart. Okay, so all this is staying. Take the discs off of the planner, and I'll put these discs on next. It's gonna be all blacked out planner, which looks really nice. Sometimes just changing the discs on a planner is a nice refresh. Okay, next we'll go, well actually let me put the back cover on first. Remove all these discs. And then I have like a little storage thing where I can put the discs. I got that at Target a few months ago. So I've just been organizing my discs just in here. Okay, so that's good. And then I will put this on the other side. Okay, cool. So that is good to go. And then cover, or sorry, folder in the back. And then all of my password important information. Try to do both at the same time. Okay, cool. So that's that. And then I will put, I'm just gonna put this in the back right now. All right, so now I can go ahead and put this divider. So these are just plain dividers. They don't have anything on the back, so it's just a little tab divider, which you can reuse, which is nice. And these are from Ilysse Posh. I'm gonna put January in the front. I should have done this like a few weeks ago, but I just never got to it. And then here are the inserts, but I'm only gonna do, like I said, I think only 6 months. We'll see how much, either 6 or 4 months or 3 months. I'm not sure, we'll see. I don't like my planner to be too thick. So these pages I don't really need. Yeah, these I don't need. I don't need that one. Okay, actually I'm gonna start from here. So this is where the month section starts, January. I have a monthly, and then this is the layout. It's, what is this called? This is called a weekly overview, classic size. So I like that it has this little, I like all the checklists because I like checklists. So I like that there are things here. I have a little checklist here, checklist here. I feel like that's enough checklists. I have a space here. I have sections here. And then I have these little sections. Maybe I can use these for, I'll wipe this out because I don't need Saturday and Sunday. So those will be open spaces, but I could use this for maybe like taking, sometimes I have to take calls. And I could write that in here, maybe, because I'm always like trying to find paper to write on. So I could maybe jot down some info there or here. I don't know. We'll see when I actually start using it, how I end up using it. But same way that I've been using the other planner, I will have my little list and I will check things off as we go through the week. Oh, wait. Is this still? Yeah, it's still, okay. And then, okay, this is February. All right, so that's the January section. Let me go now. I'm gonna put, I like to have the January section before this part, because then I know this is like the front, and then I'll put the back sections over here. All right, so February will go next. And then I have March and April. You know what? I feel like I should just do 4 months. I don't want it to be too thick, like I said. So I think 4 months will be good. So let's do February next. I'll grab in all of these. This is gonna be a nice, just little quick setup of this. Here's January. March. I'm excited to use this because I've never used Ilysse Posh inserts as a planner, so this will be nice. The paper feels really good, like really good quality, nice and thick, which is good. Love that. Okay, so that's 4 months. I have May right here. Let's see how, actually I'm gonna put this behind here. Okay, let's see how thick this is. Should I go another 2 months? I'm gonna try another 2 months in here because then I don't have to worry about setting this up until July or until end of June, which would be nice. Okay, so there's May. Okay. And then 1 more month. And these are really nice dividers. I love how neutral they are, but I think there's a couple of styles of dividers if you're interested. If you don't like neutral ones, I think there was a colorful one, like florally color one. Okay, I think, yeah, that's not too thick. And then as the month goes, like once we're done with January, I end up getting rid of these papers. Like once I don't need them anymore, I'll get rid of them. So as the months go, it'll get slimmer because I'm taking these out eventually. I just have to remember not to throw this away because I'm just used to taking everything out and just chucking it. But I'll be able to keep the dividers and reuse those, and then the inserts will be the only thing that I need to worry about. Okay, let's see, where are my notes? So I kind of want to just set this up a little bit. I'm gonna write my notes in here just so that way I'm ready to go for tomorrow because I've already started using my planner. I just need to get this info down. So I'm just gonna copy over my notes so that way they're over here, and then I should be done and ready to use this planner tomorrow when I go to work. So I transferred over my notes, and actually let me highlight this too because when I'm done I like to highlight because it just makes it more obvious that it's done. And I like the way it looks, so I like to check off and highlight. But that's basically my notes for today that I had to do at work. And then some things I'm working on that I need to work on tomorrow. But yeah, that is, I think that works. It should be good. We'll see if this is enough space for me. I mean, I do have this space here, so we'll see. At least this is more writing space, like horizontally, than I'm used to, so that's good because I can write more on the line. So hopefully, like the check marks, it's going to be enough check marks for me for the week. But then again, I do have this whole side here, so I have to figure out how I want to use this. Yeah, usually the planner is sitting like this on my desk, but it's easy to flip it over like this. And thankfully, since it's actually, this is a good thing that it's a little bit on the thicker side, because then the discs aren't getting in the way too much when I'm writing, so it won't be super uncomfortable. So I do like that. So I might have to keep it this kind of thickness, because if I lose the height of how thick this is, then my hand will get in the way when I'm writing, because I'm just, yeah, I think it should be fine. I write on the back anyways, so I think it should be fine. So yeah, that's it for this. My planner is all set up. My work planner looks pretty good. Love how it turned out. And then I plan on, these are gonna stay, I'll just put these aside with all the other stuff I have, like inserts and stuff that I'm not using yet. So that way when end of June comes along, I can grab this and then just put it all together. I'll put it like this, so it's all together. And then I'll be able to put the rest of this in the planner once we're halfway through the year, which that'll be crazy when it's that time. But yeah, at least it's all ready to go. Okay, so that is it. That was me setting up my planner. Super easy, super quick for work. But yeah, love how this turned out. Can't wait to start using this new layout at work. And yeah, that's about it. So if you are interested in getting these, actually, let me check if it's still available. These both are still available, these dividers, and then the cup or the inserts are available. And there is another, if you don't like the neutral tone, there is a more colorful floral design that has color. If you like more color in your planner, if you want to get some dividers without anything on the back. Okay, but that is about it. I have my Live Love Posh affiliate link down in the description. I have a code too if you're interested in using that. But thank you so much for watching as I set up my planner, my work planner for the first half of the year. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.